In today's video, I am going to teach you how to craft a spyglass in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. To make a spyglass in Minecraft, you only need a few simple materials and a crafting table. Before you begin, make sure you have gathered exactly 2 copper ingots and 1 amethyst shard. These are the only ingredients needed for this recipe, so once you have them ready, you can move straight to crafting. Start by opening your crafting table. This will give you access to the 3x3 crafting grid. The spyglass recipe uses a vertical layout in the center column, so the placement of each item matters. If the materials are not placed in the correct slots, the recipe will not appear. Take your amethyst shard and place it in the top center slot of the crafting grid. This is the first item in the recipe, and it needs to be positioned at the very top of the middle column. After that, take 1 copper ingot and place it directly below the amethyst shard in the center slot. Then place the second copper ingot in the bottom center slot, directly below the first copper ingot. When these 3 items are arranged in a straight vertical line down the middle of the crafting grid, the spyglass recipe will be completed. Once the items are placed correctly, the spyglass will appear in the result box. At this point, you can craft it by selecting the item from the output slot. Then move the spyglass into your inventory so it is ready to use. That is the full crafting process. Gather 2 copper ingots and 1 amethyst shard. Open your crafting table, place the amethyst shard in the top center slot, place the 2 copper ingots directly beneath it, and then take the completed spyglass from the result box and move it into your inventory. The spyglass is now crafted and available for use whenever you want to zoom in and look at distant areas more clearly in your world. As long as the item placement stays in that exact center column pattern, the recipe will work every time. That covers everything you need to know.